Alright, you are welcome. So in this video we are going to look at how we can create an NGO website, that is non-governmental organizations. You can host it for free without paying any hosting or maintenance fee. You edit your own, you publish your own content. Now there are a lot of free website builders, so we are going to use this site 123. So after you click on it, you register, you sign up with your email address and everything. You come to this interface where it will ask you to start creating your site. So I will just click on create a new website. Now the group here simply means you can see that I have quite a number of them, so just put the website in groups so that you can identify them. So click on it, then hit on create new. So this interface is asking us what kind of website do you want to create. It said an NGO, so let's move on to community. What should be the name? Then let me say, then I will select the group FN, add it to that group. Alright, so our site is now ready. This is the name, John. So it has given us a template. Then in the next session I will take you through how we can edit it, change pictures to suit us, put in our numbers and everything, social media icons and the rest. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. You know, subscribing helps the channel to grow. And if you've already subscribed, thumbs up, share and comment. Now in the next session we are going to look at how we can create or edit this interface for it to suit whatever we are designing it for. Great, you are welcome back. So quickly let's go over these icons because they play a major role in designing the website. So the website name is here. The logo, you can have logo and the name because we are using a free site builder, so you select one. Now the site type, always select multiple, and the difference is that when you select the multiple and someone click on this one, it will open in another window. Now let's move on to the country. Country is where you are, so you check that one, you change it. Now let's move on to site color. Here when you come to this site, this is the site color where you have the donate, the background color. So if you want to change the background color, the colors are here. Anything that you want, the one that the client wants, you click on it. So let me change this one. Okay, so you've seen that it has taken effect. Great, so that is how you change the color. The font you want to use. Now the header. So in any website that you visit, the page that you visit, each page has 3 different sections. The first one is the header here. So where we have the name, we have these icons, menu icons, so that is the header. Now right after the header, these are the body, and then when you come here after this map, this side is the footer. So here, do you want the phone number to show? The phone icon, yes. Email is there. Location is not important. Social network, that is the share, it's also there, but because of space we are editing so we can see. And let's move on to the footer. So the footer is the down part here that I showed you. Now let's use floating contacts. It will show for you to see. Then you have share, so that is a floating contact. Then you have the share. Now in this site, anything you do, it saves automatically. So when you click on it, just wait for it to load. As soon as the loading is done, you will see that everything has taken effect. So these are the 2 things that we added: the floating share and then the contact. So we are done. Mobile means how the site will be on mobile or tablet. Let's look at the site structure. So the way you want the site to look like, the one that has been selected is marked. So when you select it, it will take effect. Now this is the brief interface. So in the next session we will look at how we can edit the pages, add pages, change the menu icons and what have you. So let's move. Great, you are welcome. And now we are done with the settings, the design, and then we are on the pages. So here, NGO website, they must have a home page. This is the home page, and then the home page, almost everything will be there. So they have about us. Yes, it is there. Make donation, it is there. Join us, it is there. So now let's add portfolio. You know, NGO website, they will have portfolio, the things that they've done. So let me type portfolio. So when it comes, you select the ones that you want. Let's click on this. So when you are designing a site, the portfolio can be the last item, so it should come on top of the join us so that it will be last. Now let's add theme. You look at the template that is nice, then you select it. Now the theme can also not be the last, so after the portfolio the theme will be there. So this is how we add pages. Now in the next session we will look at how we can edit the various pages, but before then let's customize our menu icons. There are many, so let's take some from there. If you want to do that, about us, yes, it should be there. An NGO website too, they have a blog, so let's go and add a blog. So with the blog, you look at the interface as usual. Let's select this. Okay, so the blog can be the last one after the last but one. Great. So instead of saying articles, let's say read more on our blog. The next session we will look at how we can edit each of the pages. Let's click on this settings icon here. This is the about us. You can see that it says show on the header. I think I've explained the header. Yes, we want to show it, so it should be there. You can also hide it from users. That is, if you have not finished editing it and you don't want people to see. Now read more, that is the blog. That one we don't want it to be there. We want the blog to be on the footer, but we don't want it to be on top here. Or we can even take it. We want the thing to be. Then join us. The join us should be there. Yeah. So that is how you customize your menu items on the header, and then down here on the footer, so you can see that it's here. Now in the next session we look at how you can edit any of them in an easy way. So stay and stay. Okay, so when you want to edit any page, when you click on the page menu here, let's say you want to edit the about us, just click on the edit, then whatever you have you highlight and then you put them there. Now let's assume that you want to direct them to another link, another page, or your social media or whatever, though I will tackle on that. Here you can also highlight and bring in a link. So here when you want to do that, just click on highlight on that particular object. Let me say more, then you highlight on the more, click on this, then you insert the link. So when they click on this link, it will take them to that particular. So let me copy this one, the tutorial I made on blog. Let me copy that link and then come and insert that link here. Click on insert. So when they click on this link, it will send them to the entertainment blog we created. I hope you understand the concept. So you just go through, clear whatever you want to do. When you are done, just save. This is the image. So make sure you select image that depicts that person's NGO website. Great. So when you come here, you can see that you have the more, but here it has changed effect. It has taken the color that we selected. So when they click on it, it will send them to. Then make donation. Let's edit this part. It's very, very important. Now the make donation, this site has given you a lot of options that you can use to receive payment. So we have the details here. Donate now, then the amount they can donate, the picture you can change it. So here is a description on how the people can do the donation. Now when you are done, you save. Let's come to the payment method. So here you can change the currency. You look through, you search for your country, then you change it. Now how do you want them to make the payment? Is it bank deposit? If it is bank deposit, now you give the description, the bank details, so that they can deposit. Is it cash on delivery? Normally cash on delivery is for e-commerce website. If it is a check, then you give them the name that's supposed to be written on the check. If it is money order, pay in store, and all those things. When you are done, click on save. So that is how you can edit the donation icon. So now when I close this one and you go to the page, you will see that it has now changed from the USD to the CD sign. Now let's quickly go to the portfolio. Let's click on the portfolio. So as an NGO, the portfolio will be the donations that they've done. So just click on it, edit. So it can be schools. Let's say they made a donation to schools. Now the title, let's say books and stationery, books, for the sake of time. Then you write a short description. So here, pictures, you insert pictures. You click on choose. Then if the school, it is school A, then school B, you can have another title. Then school B, you also put the description there. If you want to add school A, click on add session. Then you say school C. Then you add pictures. When you are done, click on OK, save. So that is how you edit all the portfolio. You can also add your own portfolio. Now the team members, let's click on the team members, the same edit. Then you change the picture. If the unique page, if the person has a unique page, then you can add it, the description. Then you add a link. I think I've shown you how you can add a link. The link is here. If you have images or video you want to add, after that you click on save. So that is how you can edit all the team members. Then you close it. So after you finish, then read more on our site. That is the blog. So let's quickly look at the blog. Here the blog will talk about what the company does and a whole lot of things. So you just click on edit. Then when you come, this is the topic. So you can see why maybe we establish this one. I'm just giving you a demo. Why we establish airdrop, then you put the thing there. Now when you come to the image, click on the size. You can change it to 50, or you can even reduce it to 25. You can also change it. Let's assume you want to add another title, subtitle. You can add it. If a picture, you can also add. If it is a video, you can also add whatever you want to do, a table. Now let's come here. This is the banner image, the image that people will see when they visit your blog. So this blog, we have categories. Okay, so you have to add your own category. You just add it. Then the tags, what this one is about, you just put. So you can say benefits or reasons, short words, so that it will help Google. SEO, the search engine optimization, but that one is a premium feature, so you will not actually benefit unless you subscribe to their premium plans. Okay, so this is how you can add your image, your banner image, and the rest. So when you are done, all you have to do is click on. If the blog too, you don't want to edit them, you just click on this. Then the option is here, you delete. After you finish the deleting, click on add new article. You follow the same, the interface is the same, you put your own there. So that is how you edit the individual post. Now the last one, let's edit the joiners. So we have the phone number. This is how you can edit company name, short description, then social details. So let's click on this. Let's activate it, add or manage. So this is where you add the company's link. Now it has given us an option. It should follow this. So the social media page, you just go there, you just generate it. So let me copy this one, paste it, and delete the Facebook from here, and then it will be John. So when the link is right, you can go ahead and update. So if you have a Instagram too, let me copy here and change this one to Instagram. You see it is saying that the thing exists. So let me say Instagram. So you can add to Facebook, Instagram, and then L_, then you click on. So when you've added everything, you can add your YouTube channel and everything. Click on save. Then you click on save again. So you can see that it has appeared here. Great. So we are done. Now if you want to add the Google map, it's simple. Just click here, the contact us or the join us. You just click on the team. Then you select the ones that you. So you have some. This one has map. You select it. Great. So we are done from the home page up to down here. Now when you look at this site, you see that it's very nice. Now what is left is, let's change this background picture. Okay, so for you to change it, just click on it. Now you can also search for it, but I have some, so let me click and upload it. I'll use this. See that it has taken effect. Now let me click on this settings. Great. You can also adjust the color of the background image. You can adjust it. Now let's go down. We have fix on. So this one, what it means is that when you scroll it, it will still be there. Now let's come to the shape divider. So when you enable the shape divider, you can also hide it. People will not see those who are using it. So when you click on this, you can see that it is a rectangular thing. If you go down and then you click on this one, yeah, it has also given you another design. So whatever you want, that is how you can edit this site. The template is the same thing I show you under the design. So that is how you can edit the pages, or you can also edit them here, but it's not nice to edit it from this side because when you make mistakes at times it can be confusing. But if you use the page here, it's manageable. Great. So our site is ready. So this is our blog. Events coming up. So this can be one. If you want to add events coming up, you can just search and add it, where they have the countdown and everything. Now after everything, click on publish. Say yes. Great. So ideally every site is supposed to have abc.com, so airjump.com, but say we are using the free site, so we can't have that one. The site will not give us that one. So this is the link it has given us. So let me copy it, copy link address. Now when I click on this link, this is where visitors will see. Yes, so very nice. This is where visitors will see airdrop about us. Now you remember I said more, so let me click on this. Now see, the more has given me the blog. So make sure the link you put in for more, it will be something nice, not a different thing altogether. So make donate now, portfolio, schools, the team, and our blog. Join us and everything. So this is the floating and the message, contact us. Now you see I copied the link, so let me show you how you can change the numbers. Come to bit.ly.com, paste the, click on shorten, so you copy. Now this is the link you can share to people. Anytime people see this HTTPS, this hypertext transfer protocol, it means the site has security, so they can go there, and then Google will not tell them that hackers can hack your information. So here Google will approve of it because it's security, the site has security. Now when you share it and then people click on it, it will send them straight away to your. So continue editing. Now when you want to leave here and you want to go back to where we started, click on this and say return to dashboard. So the dashboard gives you a summary. Now you can see that we have used this, but when you upgrade you get more space. from the 250. That's the benefits. And now that is our domain name. This is where we will share to other people. But I will teach you how you can convert it. It will still be the same thing though. So we have the messages. Now this message is when people fill the form, they contact us or they join us. You will see it here, the number that has been filled. When you come to your dashboard, comment and everything, and you get it. Now that is it. You can take your time and then go over everything. So that is how you can have your NGO website running. So this one, you don't pay for any hosting fee, you don't pay for any maintenance. You create it. Most businesses are now starting, so they don't need to pay hosting fee and other things. Because of that, it has limitations. That is why you have only 250 megabytes and then 250 megabyte bandwidth. By startup, this one, the whole year, 3 years, they will not still exhaust this one. So thanks for watching. Your questions, comments are all welcome. Share it with your loved ones. Now, our next video, we will be looking at how we can create an e-commerce website with payment system integrated and everything, where people can place order, you will receive it, process and deliver it. So don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.